Hi everyone. In today's video, we're going to see about three fun or interesting packages from Python for your data science job or data analysis job, or if you're like someone who's doing a POC or something, you can use these packages. Or you can give this package as demo for your juniors or anyone. It is like simple and very interesting when I just got to know about it. So let's get started with. So if you are seeing this, is a sample code that I have. I mean the demo for the video. I don't know. I think it is very small. Yeah. The first package is missing number. Missing NO, it is missing number basically. So, why they use this particular package is to understand the null values in the data set. If you are handling like large or huge data set, you can't just directly visualize it. For that, you can take the sample out of large data sets and visualize like how scattered your NaN or null values, because we can have the summary of it. Taking a summary of null values, you can see the total value of it. But when you are distributing the entire variables and features everywhere, you can't just directly see like how scattered NaN and how it is going to impact the null values to your model. So for that, missing number would be like very useful. I'll just show you like how it is actually working. So this is a sample open source data that I took. For that, we can just see. Yeah, these are the features like date, time, uh, board of okay, zip code, latitude, longitude, these things. So these are like the white lines is there, no, like the horizontal white lines. So these are the null values. From this, you can directly see like how null values are scattered and how much it is and what you need to do. So you have to replace it with mean or median, any value it may be, or you can just remove. Depends on the number of rows that you have and the total count of null values. With this, you can do, and there are like multiple ways to see it. So these are like a little bit zoomed in, and it is like more, right? And we have a bar chart to detailing visualize, like taking account of it. So this is like huge in particular column, and you can remove the entire column because it is like literally null. The entire column is empty. You can also see the correlation of it. Correlation in the sense like how it is actually correlated between each other with a score it is giving. So it is like negative correlation. So there is nothing in it, the negative values. And he's here you have like high correlation between these two. So with that, we can see how much it is and what you can do about it. So these are like easy way to analyze your data, and you can use this for a presentation or anything that detailedly describe about the problem that you're facing because of null values and how to replace that with. So this is one. And the second one is iTables. iTables, personally, I just loved it because we are handling any data, and we don't have like particular IDE to detailedly visualize the data. So you can just have this number of counts to see. It is like a friend and a tool kind of, but in the cell. This particularly for the Jupyter lab, because we can't just see the overall data like this, or you can search anything, any values from it if it is not there. So this is a value. Okay. So you can search, and you can sort, or you can just change each value in it. So you can just directly see where and how it is. So these are like number of rows which is available. So it is fun to do. if you wanted to show a data instead of like going and checking with the actual tool or writing a SQL query or pulling out a data from DB directly, so you can just visualize it using this particular package. It is good. Now, the third one, it is impossible to believe because the package name is Faker. Faker is actually faking the data. So faking in the sense like you can generate fake data. Can you believe that? Because we had this problem for augmenting the data, right? But augmentation is something like you're going to replicate the actual data. Replicate in the sense like you're going to enhance or elaborate the data for data set which is having like very less number of rows. But faker is something that you can generate fake data based on your assumptions. For example, this where it will be useful is if you are giving demo or generating sample data to build some model that you had idea about, or to show something which can be possible in future. For that, you can use this particular package to generate. I would say this is very fun. You can just try and see like how to do these things. So this like simple one that is generating a JSON file, JSON data with a name, ID, address, latitude, and longitude. You can just generate the random stuff, right, with that. And here you can generate the entire, uh, a country name into another name, which is like really fake. So this I used in my own language, Tamil. So you can use Hindi also, which was available in Hindi or any other language. Just check the manual, like what all languages that they have. You can generate a country name, like fake country names. This is so much fun to experiment also. So this is like creating a fake profile, fake ID. It's like spam accounts you can just generate. It looks realistic. That is the thing that I wanted to say. It looks very realistic, and yeah, it is another fun, you know, package that I came across. I think this video would be helpful for some of you. If not, you can share with people who can find it will be useful. So that's all I have for today. Thanks.